You have been asked to present something to a group of executives, and that is making you extremely nervous. Let me give you a few tips about how to handle that situation. First of all, the fact that you have been asked to present means that you deserve to be in that room. So have no doubts about whether you belong to that room or not. Now that you belong to that room, also know that you are the subject matter expert. They've invited you because they see you as an expert. They see you as a person who is closer to the details than any of them. So nobody knows it more than you, better than you. The third thing, understand the level of stakeholders that you are talking to, those executives. What you would present to a CXO group will be very different. The level of details, it will be very different to what you present to a senior leadership team. So understand their roles, what is it that they are looking for before you create your presentation or decide how you will structure your presentation. Fourth thing, what is your purpose? Why are you standing there presenting? Is that information update, or are you looking for some decision, some forward movement as a result of what you are presenting? And focus in both cases. If it is an information update or it is looking for a decision, it will vary. If it is an information update, then the style, the structure, the data, and the flow, it becomes very important. You should be able to put it in bite-sized pieces so that people understand the information and the update. Now, if it is for a decision, then what becomes important is your presentation skills, how you're standing there, the conviction, the knowledge, the participation, the connection that you have with the audience, the options, the other options that you're talking about or anybody else talks about, the outcomes. So make sure you understand what is the purpose of your presentation. Just don't go there and speak, because if you're looking for a forward movement, then focus needs to be very different. Now, fifth, this is one part which I struggled with a lot during my corporate years. And I'm sure a lot of us it gives jitters. What if you don't know the answer to a question that is asked? Well, count on your manager. If your manager is in the group, you can always point out to him, you can always ask for help, or any other subject matter expert who, if he or she is in the room. And if nobody else is in the room who can answer it, then tell them that you have no idea. But you will go back, research about it, talk to the people, and then get back to them. And do get back to them after that meeting as a priority. Just do not bullshit. That's what I would advise against. So if you can take into account all these steps, I can tell you, you will rock that presentation. All the best.